And this is all because I used rabbit poo on this one row right here. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Richmond's Place. It is the next morning. I didn't get to continue in the garden yesterday because, well, life happened. So we're going to continue today. If I can open the pole barn. There we go. So let's get our day started. Morning, Ethan. Okay, get these guys some fresh food and fresh water, and then we'll go get on with what we're doing for the day. Huh. Hi, buddy. I know. You want some of this? You want some of this? I know. Come on. Come on. No. Right here. Right here. Right here. Right here. I'm putting it in the thing for you. Silly. You silly, silly bunny. Hi. How beautiful. You want some of this fresh hay? Ooh. Dumped it out. There you go. Come on. Right there. There we go. We'll get some fresh water for him. Okay, so now that we've got the bunnies all fed and watered, I thought I might share with you guys what we do with rabbit poop, aka black gold. This is our setup. Our setup, we have these little trays here that we pull out, see here, and we collect the poop. Now you're also going to have a little bit of hay in there, which is fine. You just, if it bothers you, just pick it out, whatever. And I'm going to show you the process instead of, just talking you through it. I'm going to show you what I do and how easy it is and how well it works for your garden. So don't matter what kind of bunnies you got. These are mini lops, and they're so cute. I love them. These ones are more pets, but our goal is to get some meat rabbits. And yeah, let's just get to it. So this is around about how much we got today. But, one second. Okay, so now we're just gonna fill it up with some water. Let me show you what it looks like. Okay, so I'm gonna put a lid on this and I'm gonna put this in the shed. I'm gonna stir it like every day for like 2 days, and then after that I'm gonna just go ahead and dump it on the garden. And that's it for the rabbit poo tea. Another way to use their rabbit poo is just to put it straight on the garden, and just let me show you how I do that. Hold on. Okay, so this here is my sweet potato bed. You see them? And I'm going to put all this rabbit poo, and there is alfalfa mixed in there with it that I just didn't take out, which will be totally fine. And I'm going to just toss it on this bed. Give these sweet potatoes some good fertilizer. Whoop. Found my shovel that I was asking my husband about earlier. And that's it. Okay, so I did write some of this information down about the benefits of the rabbit manure for your garden, okay? So it has amazing microorganisms in it. It has phosphorus, nitrogen, it has some trace elements such as calcium, magnesium, zinc, boron, cobalt, and manganese. So those are just some of the things that, you know, not everything that is good for, you know, your garden. Especially the nitrogen and the phosphorus is really, really good for your plants. Plus, it breaks down very, very quickly. Rabbit poo is not a hot manure, it is a cold manure, so it's great for your garden. And I can personally say that I put it on my peppers, and I think that I'm pretty sure that's why I've had such a phenomenal pepper harvest this year. It's just, it looks great. So it's better than chicken manure or horse manure, cow manure, all them types of manure you have to wait. There's a time period you got to wait for it not to be hot anymore, because if you put it directly on your plants, it will burn. Not with rabbit poo. Rabbit poo, you don't have to wait. So that's the wonderful thing about rabbit manure. We are planning on getting more rabbits, probably meat rabbits this time though. And that way they'll serve a dual purpose for us, for meat and to fertilize our garden. I mean, win-win for us. So if you have a garden, get yourself some bunnies and you'll have free fertilizer. Okay guys, so I figured that I would bring you over here and show you the results of using rabbit manure. Look at the size of these banana peppers. These are my fourth harvest. Fourth harvest. Look at that. These are beautiful. These are the banana peppers. All because I used the rabbit manure on these. Look at that. Aren't these gorgeous? Yeah, so I'm gonna harvest these peppers and I'll show you my fourth harvest, how much I get. Okay guys, this is what I got. This is my 4th harvest of peppers. This is amazing. Look at all these. And I'm definitely going to be getting another harvest. And this is all because I used rabbit poo on this one row right here. Now the other rows I did not use the rabbit fertilizer on, and that pepper harvest wasn't that good. So I'm thinking, yeah, it's the rabbit poo. Okay guys, if you don't have rabbits and you got a garden, get you some. So bottom line is, if you have a garden, it would benefit you greatly to keep rabbits, because you can use their manure, you can use them for meat. There's a win-win there for you. So that's it for now, guys. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Stay tuned for future videos. Have a blessed day.